Ghosts is a frightful terminology. When you say ghosts, negative thoughts pop into your minds. So there are also some words and idioms based on ghosts that we must know. Give up the ghost means to die. His grandfather gave up the ghost last night. So my students remember give up the ghost and use it in place of die. Suppose in your examinations comes something you have to write die, use he gave up the ghost. Ghost town doesn't mean that it's a town or a place where ghosts live, but it's a deserted place, secluded place. So there are words like ghostwriter. Ghostwriter is a person who writes for others, but his name is remain hidden. Ghost word and ghostology. Ghostology means the study of ghosts. So remember, ghostology or ghostology means ghost lore. And I'm telling you, ghost can be used as an adjective that means fake or false. Suppose one meeting was held in which the president was upset, so we can call it that is a ghost meeting. So my students remember all these words. Give up the ghost town. You look as if you have seen ghost. That means it's a frightful proposition. So my students remember all these things, and I have also mentioned most things like ghost work. That means a peculiar work that creates fright, trepidation, dread in the minds of the people who see. So if you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you much. Gracias. God bless you.